In this video, we will learn how to remove background from complex objects. Step 1. Select the image from which you want to remove the background. Step 2. Open the Channels panel. You'll see 4 layers. Select the channel with the highest contrast between black and white. Step 3. Duplicate this channel by dragging it to the New Layer icon. Step 4. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Step 5. Adjust the level sliders to create a pure black and white effect. Move the right slider to enhance the whites, the left slider to darken the blacks. Use the middle slider to refine the mid-tones. Step 6. Hold down the Ctrl key and click on the duplicated channel. This action will create a selection of the white areas. Step 7. Use the selection tool and go to Select, Inverse, or press Ctrl, plus Shift plus I to invert the selection. Step 8. Apply a mask by clicking the Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. The background will be removed.